Canada, Alaska, Lapland, Siberia, the Antarctic. Here the Earth's magnetic field guides electrons and protons from the sun. Here men come to study the polar lights.
Have you ever seen anything that looks like that?
Yeah, I did.
You did? Look at the colors in that. They're not just little lights, they're all over the place. Where do they come from?
From the sun.
From the sun, that's right. You know what it says here? It says, how do the curtains get up in the sky? They're calling the northern lights curtains. How do they get up in the sky? They are caused by the sun, along with heat and light. The sun sends out electricity. Most of the electricity is pulled toward the north and south pole. The electricity causes the gases to glow in many colors.
There seems to be a type of chemistry which the atmosphere is capable of doing, which is not really part of chemistry as we know it. That is, the atmosphere is capable of taking the normal N2 and O2, making it into this nitric oxide, which is a poisonous gas, and doing it extremely efficiently. And the crux of the problem is we just simply don't understand how this comes about, and whether, for instance, this could, at lower altitudes, whether this process could also occur under conditions that would be very unfavorable to life forms as we know it.
Scientists in Lapland claim to have produced an artificial aurora. True scientific investigations emerged barely 75 years ago in Norway.
In 1895, Birkeland was very much occupied with the new discoveries of cathode rays. The thing was that he had got the idea that cathode rays, that is electrons, were sent out from the sunspots. And he knew that the aurora had similar periods as the sunspots period. And his idea was then, which was a new one, that the aurora was produced by cathode rays emanated from the sunspots.
The Eskimos, I had a couple at my house once, and we had a bright display outside, and they laughed and said, lots of light, that's, I don't know the Eskimo word for it, and they said, it's a good night for making love, And I said, do you mean tonight? No, I said, whenever it's bright like that, it's a good night. Now, I don't know why, if you need to see something, or whether it's because it's just the right vibes, but it seems to be in there somehow.
It means bad weather's coming. When the aurora was moving fast, it meant bad times for the Eskimos.
The young people nowadays, they don't respect or use the northern light in the same way as the old.
The Eskimos believe that the aurora killed people. A long time ago they used to believe it, and she said the younger people nowadays don't believe it, and also the older people like her don't even believe it anymore, although it's true.
To see northern lights is exactly like seeing, well, if you see caribou going through the country past your place and you're watching them, when the last they go in single file like the buffalo did, and when the last one is gone, you're positive you'll never see another caribou ever. Now, when you watch northern lights, you'll find that when you're here. When you've not watched northern lights and you've seen a grand display, the instant it stops, your mind is so washed out. Did you know there's never going to be another northern light?